Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Samsung Soundbar Q990D Q Symphony 11.1.4 channel cinematic Dolby Atmos Wi-Fi soundbar with subwoofer and rear speakers. Incredible cinematic sound with up-firing speakers for a concert-style experience. Be at the center of your entertainment with most cinematic sound quality with 22 speakers. Enrich your cinematic experience with TV and soundbar working together in perfect harmony. Hear precise bass, clarity, tone of your audio. Tune specifically for your space. Transform your home cinema experience with 2 wireless rear speakers. Adaptive and optimized audio. Supports high-resolution audio with 4K pass-through. Audio power 656 watts. You can connect this to optical, HDMI, and Bluetooth. Voice control, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Apple AirPlay, Chromecast. Other features: center speaker, upwards firing speakers, side firing speakers, front wide firing speakers. Video features: HDMI EAC, HDMI SEC. Audio features: space fit sound, active voice amplifier, Q Symphony, wireless rear speaker, soundbar with center up firing side speakers, front wide speakers. Audio processing: Dolby Atmos, Dolby Max, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby True HD, DTSX, etc. Supported audio file format AAC and etc. Preset mode, so you have voice enhancement, night mode, active voice amplifier, surround sound expansion, game pro, adaptive, and standard. In terms of the dimension, the main soundbar, the height is 70, weight is 1232, diameter is 138 mm. Subwoofer, the height is 413 mm, the weight 220 mm, diameter is 410 mm. Rear speakers, height is 200.6 mm, the weight is 127 mm. Diameter is 139.7 mm. We're going to check this stuff out and see what is inside. This is the soundbar here. And see what it looks like. Very big. The subwoofer. The speakers. So this is the accessories in here. So this is the speaker. Let's see what it looks like. This is the second rear speaker. Accessories. Information pack. So the power cable, 4 power cables, wall mount, remote control, AAA battery. This is the subwoofer here. See what it looks like. So take the power cable and this soundbar at the back. So the ports, so you have HDMI 1, HDMI 2 and HDMI EAC and optical on this end. Now the power cable goes in here. So take the power cable, push it in. Connect it to the power. Take the other cable, connect it to the subwoofer, go at the back. Connect the cable, push it in, then plug it to the power. If you want to reset the subwoofer, you need to press this button here to reset it. You can see the light is highlighting blue. Take the other power cable, connect it to one of the rear speakers. Push it in. Then plug the speaker to the power. Take the other speaker, connect the power cable to it. Plug the cable to the socket. See the light highlighting. Take the remote control, push it down to open it up. Take the battery. This is using AAA battery. For the remote control, on the right side, the positive is on the bottom, the negative on the top. Then on the left side, the negative is on the bottom, the positive on the top. Then slide the cover back up to close it. Now switch the soundbar on, and the soundbar is on, showing us TV. And if you look, the speaker is steady blue light to show you they are linked together. This is the second rear speaker, steady blue light to show you they are linked together. Likewise, the subwoofer, steady blue light to show you they are linked together with the soundbar. If they are not linked together, they will be blinking. So now we're going to set this up. Select Bluetooth from the remote and it's showing us BT. So go to Play Store and type SmartThings app. Open it up, then select add a device, Samsung. Now you scroll down and select the device. Select soundbar, Q series soundbar. Select on it. Connecting your soundbar. Press the volume down button on the soundbar to connect. So you press the volume down button. Almost there. Registering your device. Almost there. Your soundbar is being added to SmartThings. Sources. My home, living room. Then you select done. Downloading additional data. And this is the soundbar here. Connect to this phone. Bluetooth, select connect to this phone. Bluetooth pairing request, select pair. And it's connected. So this is how to set this soundbar up, and you can see the soundbar here. This is the pause and play. Increase the volume from this side. If you go to the right, you increase the volume. And also sound source connected to my phone. Then sound mode, we have standard, surround, game, and adaptive. It's currently in surround. Then you have rear speakers, and front. Voice amplifier, through space. Select through space, channel level, voice guide. So this is how to set this up, and this is the soundbar here. We're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. You can pause it. This remote control, the same features this remote control got is also what is on the phone. If you connect this soundbar using SmartThings app, once you connect the soundbar using SmartThings app, you are able to control the soundbar. You can switch it off also from here. You can switch it off and do so many things. You can increase the woofer to +6 and also decrease it to -12. The same thing is applicable. Press the woofer button up, it goes to +6 maximum. If you press it down, it goes to -12. Then you go back from the woofer. Then channel level, if you press it, then use up and down to select the particular one. Likewise, this button, sound mode, select sound mode, it take you to, for you to select standard, surround, game, and adaptive sound. And also is currently in adaptive sound on the SmartThings app. Once you connect it with the SmartThings app, you're able to see exactly what features you want. With remote control, you need to know exactly, like this up plus is for you to increase the volume. If you push it up, you increase the volume. If you push it down, then you decrease the volume. This button here is mute. If you select it, then you mute the sound. And this center one here is pause and play. You also have up and down and sideways. This button here is the source for you to select HDMI and optical. Once you select DG in, it goes to HDMI and optical. This button is Bluetooth, and this is for you to switch the soundbar on and off. And this button here is information how you connected the soundbar, and also tone control. If you select the tone control, use up and down. It goes to the bass and treble, then use up and down to select it. If you select this sound control, it goes to voice enhancement for you to control the voice enhancement, night mode, surround speakers, voice enhancement, night mode, then use up and down to select it. This is sound control. This one is tone control. The function of the remote control is also what is with SmartThings app. I'm happy with this soundbar. It deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.